Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. Passive income. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's possible, and I'm here to show you how. First off, what is passive income? It's money you earn with little to no effort after the initial setup. Unlike a regular job, where you trade time for money, passive income streams continue to pay you even when you're not actively working. So, let's go through some of the best ways to generate passive income. Writing and selling ebooks. If you're knowledgeable about a particular topic, consider writing an ebook. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to self-publish and reach a wide audience. The great thing about ebooks is that once you've written and published your book, it can continue to generate income for years without any additional effort. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that addresses a specific need or interest. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide you with regular income. Companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, and with the right investments, you can build a steady income stream. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. Real estate. Owning rental properties can generate consistent monthly income. While it requires an upfront investment and some ongoing management, the returns can be substantial. Consider starting with a single-family home or a small multi-unit property and gradually expanding your portfolio. Don't forget to factor in maintenance costs and potential vacancies when calculating your expected returns. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's a way to earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. However, it's important to assess the creditworthiness of borrowers and diversify your loans to spread out the risk. Creating a blog or YouTube channel. By creating valuable content, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It takes time to build an audience, but the potential for passive income is significant. Focus on a niche that you're passionate about and consistently produce high-quality content that engages your audience. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, create an online course. Websites like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge and earn money while doing it. Create a detailed, engaging course with valuable insights and promote it through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. If owning physical property isn't for you, consider investing in REITs. These companies own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate and pay out most of their income as dividends. It's a way to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties. Automated investing. Use robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront to invest in a diversified portfolio automatically. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments, helping you grow your wealth with minimal effort. Licensing your photos. If you're a photographer, consider licensing your photos through sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Each time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. It's a great way to monetize your photography skills. Remember, while passive income can be incredibly rewarding, it often requires upfront effort, time, and sometimes money to set up. But once you have these systems in place, you can enjoy the benefits for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.